Hey guys, again, welcome back to my channel, Ach'z Sagacity. So today, I like to share some of the reading tips with you. So most of the students asked me to prepare some videos related to IELTS reading. So we already updated some videos to solve yes, no, not given type question, then how to solve list of heading and all, and also fill up type questions. So today I'm here to show you how to solve match the information type of question, then which paragraph contain these ideas, like that you will get some questions. So that is called match the information type of question. So how to solve that? So I selected this book for today's section. Actually, this is the book from British Council. If you booked your IELTS test under British Council, means you will get this book. It is IELTS Essential Guide. Okay, so this was a new version. Previously, they had this for both academic and general module together. Okay, with you can see here uh, they have this book with academic and also the general module, four set for academic and two set for general module, but now they separated the book for academic and general module. So this is the book for academic module, and we are going to do one set of question from this book. Okay, so let's start. So this is the first reading passage. I think you can see clearly. Here in this passage, you can see the reading section 1 has 8 paragraphs. The long passage is divided into 8 different paragraphs. And they given the name A, B, C, D up to H. And this passage have one common heading, that is electroreception. Okay, and today we are going to see how to solve this type of question. That means match the information type of question. Which paragraph contain the following information? So you want to select which paragraph contain this information. So try to practice eye reading first. So before moving on to the question, try to read out the passage. That means within 5 minutes you should skim the passage. Okay, so you should practice eye reading. Then you will get some idea regarding the passage, what the whole content, or about what they are dealing with. So, along with reading, try to underline the words. That means all the striking words you want to underline. So, I will give you 5 minutes. You can read out this passage. I think this is clear. Some of the words they are highlighted, some of the words known as jamming avoidance response system, known as passive. Some so this type of words you should underline. Weakly electric fish. Rays are one of the example, and ray embryos. Okay. Potential predator. Okay. Okay. In some aspects. Try before they buy. Okay. Sinewy muscles. Okay. Okay, so try to read out the passage within 5 minutes. That's the first thing you want to do. Then you should move on to the paragraph or what the question is related to. What type of question? Then you should read out the question. Okay, so first you want to go through the passage, then underline some striking words and all. Then you want to come back to the question. Okay, then read the question in detail. How electroreception can be used to help fish reproduce? And try to underline the keywords how and reproduce about the fish. Then a possible use of electroreception that will benefit human. Possible use of electroreception that will benefit human. Okay. The term for, so the term is the keyword for the capacity which enables an animal to pick up but not send out electrical energy. Pick up but not send. Okay. Then why only creatures that live in or near water have electroreceptive ability? Why? Okay. Electroreceptive ability. How electroreception might help creature find their way over long distance. How? Okay, so it's all our WHO questions. A description of how some fish can avoid disturbing or disrupting each other's electrical signal. How? It's a description about how some fish can avoid disrupting others' electrical signals. Okay, so these all are the questions. So try to understand the question and underline the key words from the question. Then you can search out. We already skimmed the passage and we know somehow we got some idea how electroreception can be used to help fish reproduce. So this is a reproduce is our keyword. So where we can get that word? Okay. This is about passive electroreception. Okay. Creature organ that is generate used for mating. Yeah, here you can see one word, mating signals. So it's about reproduction. First question is related how electroreceptive can be used to help fish reproduce. So here you can see the word mating. Mating means pairing of male and female for reproduction. So this paragraph will be the answer C. Okay. The next question, a possible use for electroreception that will benefit human. So here only we find something related to F and G with something related to men. They talk something related to men. A possible use of electroreception that will benefit human. Possible use of electroreception that will benefit. Yeah, here you can see normally when human are attacked, it is purely by accident, not intentionally, since shark cannot detect from electroreception whether or not something will satisfy their taste. Taking one or two bites, then assessing the result. Our sinewy muscles does not compare well with the plumper. So repeat attack are highly likely once a human is bleeding because the force of electric field is heightened by salt in the blood, which create the perfect setting for the feeding fancy. So a possible use of electroreception that will benefit human, that is about the sinewy muscles. Okay, so this is the passage G. The term for the capacity which enables an animal to pick up but not send out electrical signal. So we want to search out for a term. a term for the capacity which enables an animal to pick up but not send out electrical signals. So we want to search out for the term. Here in the B, you can see here electroreception comes in two variants. While all animals, including humans, generate electrical signals because they are emitted by the nervous system, some animals have the ability known as passive electroreception to receive and decode electrical signals generated by other animals in order to sense their location. So the term is passive electroreception. So the answer is passage B. Okay, then we will see the remaining questions. Why only creatures that live in or near water have electroreceptive ability? Okay, I think here in the first passage we can see that open your eyes in sea water. It is difficult to see much more without specializing equipment would be lost in these deep sea habitats. So how do fish make it seem so easy? So that is known as electroreception, the ability to perceive and act upon electrical stimuli as a part of overall senses. The ability is found only in aquatic or amoebaceous species because water is an efficient conductor of electricity. That is because water is an efficient conductor of electricity. So here we can write passage A. Okay, so the next question, how electroreception might help creatures find their way over long distance. Okay, so how this electroreception help them to find their long distance. So I think at last only we find something related to that. From starting itself we want to read. There is much that we do not yet know concerning how electroreception functions. Although researchers have documented how electroreception also hunting, okay, something related to communication system through observation, exam, neurological process. Okay, scientists are also exploring the role electroreception plays in navigation. Yeah, we got the word navigation. Somehow propose that salt water and magnetic field from the earth core may interact to form electrical current that shark use for migratory purpose. Okay, so the main thing is you want to find the keywords. You should understand the question, then you want to take one keyword and search out for the keyword, or you will get some synonyms, okay, in the passage. Okay, the last question, a description of how some fish can avoid disrupting each other's electrical signal. So here you can see one, they given one name also. One fascinating use of active electroreception known as jamming avoidance response mechanism, we already underlined that, has been observed between the members of some species known as weakly electric fish. Okay, when two such electric fish meet in the ocean using the same frequency, each fish will then shift the frequency of its discharge so that they are transmitting on different frequencies. So doing so prevent their electroreception faculties from becoming jammed. So that is the thing. Here D. So I think it's very easy, right? So to solve the matching the information type of question. So most of the students find difficulty to solve which paragraph contain this information or list of heading type of question. List of heading, we already done one video regarding that, so you can check it out. So always try to read out the passage. That means try to practice eye reading and underline the keywords or the striking words. Then after that, read the questions and try to find the keywords. Try to underline the keywords. Then search out. Okay, so that's the best method to solve match the information type of question. Okay, so try to understand the keyword. Maybe they use some of the synonyms in the passage, so try to find it out. So this is the way you can solve match the information type of question. So that's it. We solved 1 to 6 questions. So if you want to continue or not, actually in this video I like to make you clear regarding match the information type of question. If you want me to do the further passages or to complete this book and all, means you can comment that below. We will prepare more videos from this book. Okay, maybe some of the students will book their exams under IDP and they don't have this book and all. So if you want me to do reading passages from this book, means you can comment that below. We will do all the reading passages in each videos. Okay, so that's all. Hope you understood how to solve this question. You can use your own techniques. It's better to use your own technique. You can watch different videos from YouTube and all, from different examiners, from different what trainers and all. Then you can try to use it. Then try to understand which method is applicable for you and try to move on with that. So that's the best way to practice reading. Okay, I will be back with more videos. Bye bye.